Hi everyone, welcome to the second episode of CKE&S channel. Today, I'll introduce you to the core products of CKE&S Trading Thailand Co. Limited. As I've mentioned earlier, at CKE&S we provide solutions, good quality products, as well as warranty for our products. You may compare our goods with others, it is definitely better. In the past, greenhouses are made of glass and popular in cold countries, so that they have longer growing time for the plants, and they can also grow plants, fruits, and vegetables that are only available in hot climates, as the temperature in the greenhouse can be controlled. And also in the past, as you can notice from the grandeur of the greenhouses, they are only accessible to royalties and the rich. While now, people in hot tropical countries are growing their plants in greenhouses too, for organic plants, for urban farming, and also for growing plants of fruits that are only available in colder climates. For example, fruits like strawberries, peaches, and melons that have the same sweetness, texture, and quality as imported fruits, which we cannot tell the difference. Growing cold climates fruits locally help to reduce carbon footprint and supports local farmers. Greenhouses in hot tropical countries are not made from glass, but made from plastic cover, rail and spring, the sunshade mesh, and the groundwood mesh. Growing plants in greenhouses has a lot of its advantages. First and foremost is protection. The greenhouse is able to keep insects, fruit bats, and rats from entering it and destroying the crops. And it can also protect the plants from extreme weather, as some of the fruits are very delicate and susceptible of being damaged. Secondly, it recreates the most suitable environment for a certain type of plants, fruits, or crops. And thirdly, there's no need for the use of agrochemicals. Fruits and crops are chemical-free, and beneficial insects can stay in the greenhouse to do the work they're supposed to, like pollination. Number 4, you may customize the greenhouse according to your choice of purpose, whether for commercialized farming or as a hobby. Last but not least, it is able to save a lot of expenses by saving water, electricity, and on agrochemicals. There are actually a lot of benefits growing your plants in the greenhouses. For commercialized farming, the fruits of your plants can fetch a higher price, while for hobby farming, you can consume the fruits of your hobby work with confidence. That's all for greenhouses today. If you need more information, get in touch with us with ways available printed above and also below. Thank you for watching. If you like our channel, please click like and subscribe. See you again in our next episode. Bye-bye.